Hi, my name is Marissa Miller, aka Missy, the face behind Rebel 911, and today I'm here to tell you guys about all of the fabulous programs that they have at Online Makeup Academy.
I'm currently working through their Master Makeup program. The school is really putting tools and power into their students' hands by creating such a user-friendly online learning platform. You can ask questions with their helpful staff who are always there to support you every step of the way. Their homework assignments also help you to get real, hands-on experience and advice from instructors on how to improve your techniques and applications. You'll also learn how to work with all skin tones, ethnicities, face shapes, and skin types. In addition to the detailed instructional video lessons, their students also receive makeup supply kits that are tailored to the course and materials they're going to need to succeed. Having the tools on hand makes learning that much easier to follow along. Another thing that I have personally found to be super helpful through this course is learning about proper hygiene and sanitary practices, especially post-COVID. So all the information in this course is going to be completely up to date with all the COVID-19 regulations, and it's going to help you stay safe. It's going to make sure that all your clients know you practice safe hygiene, and they're going to feel a lot more comfortable working with you, just knowing that you know how to keep everything clean.
And I love having the ability to learn at my own pace from the comfort of my own home.
I don't have to worry about working my schedule around education. It's all at my own pace to fit my lifestyle, and you have lifelong access to the lessons, which makes it all the better.
Throughout my makeup career for the past, 5-6 years, I have mainly focused on the field of SFX. So this was a really cool course to kind of dive me into the world of beauty, all the basic info that I need to know to be a freelance makeup artist and really get out there and start experiencing other genres of makeup, because it's always good to kind of play around with things. You never know what field you are going to go into. So right now I'm testing the waters. Big goal in the long run for me was to work in film and television, but now I might branch out. Maybe I want to try wedding makeup. Maybe I want to do photo shoots and modeling opportunities. Things like that as well are going to be great to get me as well-rounded in the field of makeup as possible. Maybe you want to take it a step further. Maybe you are already pretty experienced in the world of basic makeup. They offer a couple other really fantastic courses, including
Advanced makeup, elite career path, special effects makeup, and even pro hairstyling.
so a little bit of everything for every genre that you may be looking to go into or learn more about.
After graduating, students receive their OMACA Certificate of Completion, plus pro cards with up to 40% off major brands like Mayram Makeup, Graftobian, Beauty Blender, NYX, Inglot, Temp2, and I'm not even scratching the surface. There's so many more. You can get $100 off your course enrollment when you use my coupon code RebelRebel911. $100 off.
There's a course built for everyone. As far as I'm concerned with this school, it is such a great learning platform. And whether you're an entry-level makeup artist or an expert, I think everybody can learn and tune up their abilities, their skills, and their knowledge through some of these programs. I will be adding a direct link to the school in this video, so make sure to check the video description down below. Be sure to check out all their courses, really get a vibe for it. My experience so far, I'm still completing the courses. I am so excited, so eager to finish, but it has been a fabulous experience thus far, and I highly recommend it for anyone out there, no matter where you are in life. Just give it a shot, try it. This is the future, online, at home, easy to do. Let's get you signed up.